I would like to see a scientific community that is truly global, and I think it is, but there are moves in different countries to isolate, and I think that there are political moves that will result or may result in scientists not being able to circulate as easily as one would wish. I think that's a problem, and I wouldn't like to see that. So perhaps that's a negative thing to say. I don't know, I think that we're in a very good path. I think that there's a lot of multidisciplinary science happening, and specifically chemistry. There's a lot that is happening in the interfaces with other sciences. I think that is phenomenal. One of the things that is happening there as well, and I don't know how we deal with this, is that a lot of chemists don't identify as chemists anymore. They call themselves material scientists or nano experts, or I don't know, environmental expert or environmental scientist. And there's so much chemistry that goes into that. Very often their training would be chemistry as well. So I don't know. I think we're in a very good path, and I think that it's just a matter of just making us, very aware of what is happening elsewhere, and rather than putting up barriers, taking them down. And I guess that the other challenge would be funding across the globe. I think the money just moves around, and it's going from the Europe to the US, and then the US now to China. So I think, as I said, I think we're in a very good place. So just more of the same.
Even if it's not my main area of expertise, I would like to see solutions for example, environmental problems, such as the huge amount of plastic waste in the oceans, that it's a very huge problem that should be solved by chemistry. There is a recent research, I think it's 2 years ago, described, for example, the use of some enzymes of bacteria that can, for example, reduce the plastic to something that is more environmentally friendly. And this, for example, should be one of the direction that funding should be.
Channel, like
a channel, yes, for funding and for research, because it's a problem that affects everybody.
From the bio and the biochemistry direction and in chemistry, I think most of the reactions have been discovered, or many important transformations. But what I would like to see particularly done is more carbon dioxide chemistry. For example, inserting carbon dioxide into CH bonds selectively, and of course fully catalytic without any stoichiometric reagent, just using a catalyst, for example, and using arenes or aliphatic compounds. Having, for example, if you have an oil spillage and you just carboxylate all the contaminant that you have, then you can just make it biodegradable. You can make it water soluble, and what you get is basically fatty acids. And because carboxylic acids are extremely important for any applications, and carbon dioxide is kind of a waste product of civilization in the end. And if you can find a large-scale application, that would be really awesome, I think.